Kia ora koutou e te whānau, nau mai, haere mai, hoki mai, ki te pātaka reo, kei ko nei mātou, ko pare, ko mere, te umu ariki e mihi ana kia koutou. Whānau, welcome back to our next step in learning te reo Māori here online with our weekly online classes, our online wānanga, and our new set that we're setting up for this last step for this year 2020 in our journey. We've just finished the 90-day Reo Journey Bilingual for beginners, and we're about to start our My 90-Day Reo Journey Immersion for beginners. So we'll be doing very shortly next week, starting next week. It's Rā Apa, I tēnei rā. It's Wednesday and we'll start on Monday. I'm just going to run a short series next week where I'll give you the basics and the fundamentals to get us going for our next part of the journey. So come along, nau mai, haere mai. Come and join us. Come and join us. We've been learning the kupu from the cards you've been making, the booklets you've been working on all last term and last season. And this time we're going to put the cards away and we're going to make it real. And te pātaka reo is all about around your pātaka kai, around your kitchen, around your home, everything you have here. Last term and last season we worked with the rākau in our different set, and we worked with the rākau, the colours, the numbers, and we learned the basics of te reo in bilingual. But this season it's nice and easy, even pare, even mere and myself, if we can do it, you can do it. So come and join us. Come and join us. Kaua e whakamā. One of our kaupapas, patua te tani whakamā. You can't see whakamā here anymore today because we're all going to support each other. Nera pare. Hi! We're all going to support each other. So I'll put some links here today. If you're receiving this in an email or on Facebook or on YouTube, hopefully I'll put a link there so we can get you started to come and join us next week, 7 PM, Zoom live. So all our classes here will be live. I won't do a webinar and just post it up. We'll do it live so we can keep it real. And you come in too, if you want to set yourself up with a few bits and pieces, some tapu, your kapu, and your plates, your preti, your oko, your bowls, and we're going to use all those things. Your pani pango, don't forget the marmite, and the tiamu, keeping it sweet, but let's have some fun. Come along, you've got nothing to lose, but come and have a look next week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. I'll do 4 90-minute webinars to get us started and introduce us to the next part of our 90-day Reo Journey. As we finish off our journey for this year, 2020, the year of the COVID, but the year where we all come together. Ko tahi kapua ki te rangi, he marangai ki te whenua. As that kaupapa says, that's about the reo uniting us, and the atarangi, and he marangai is the reo coming down. That's your kupu hau, your karakia, your waiata, and the whānau have been going hard over the last couple of weeks with their whakatauki challenges. But I think that's enough for now. Come along, click a link today so I can send you some more links to come in live to our class on Monday evening, 7 PM, Wednesday, and come to each class so you can build. You can build on what we've done earlier on in the season, and we take it forward, and we're going to go into the immersion for beginners. So nō reira e te whānau, I hope you have a great week. It's Wednesday as I say, but click that link today so I can send you something, and hopefully we'll see you all there on Monday. Alright, that's it for now. Enjoy your day. I'm about to have breakfast with pare and mere, and I've got to cook my own eggs, but take care, much love, aroha, tētahi ki tētahi, love to each other, respect, for all people, for humanity. E rongo whakairia, ki runga, kia tīna, tīna, haumie, huie, tai ki e. Hei ko nei rā whānau, see you here Monday, 7 p.m, Zoom, live, good lighting, get your ears on and let's go. Let's cook up a storm. Hei ko nei rā. Ka pai, ho mai ki a hau he prawa.